Hello बच्चों, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, that is Purnang. From today we are going to start again our very famous series, and that is few days and few questions. So let's see what we are going to have here. It's not like few days and few questions, of course. Like for advanced we used to do it for 30 days 30 question challenge, 50 question challenge, like this. Okay, see, now this time we are going to change the format. We will be continuing with a topic for few days. Like, see, the target here this time bachcho is that I give you like 10 to 20 questions from a chapter, and so that when you are done with those questions, the questions which are highly anticipated, which type of question which you expect in your examination JEE mains और JEE advanced, उस तरह के क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पे आपको देने का प्रयास करेंगे. एक बार में एक पूरा चैप्टर यहाँ पे कवर करने का प्रयास करेंगे, so that when you are done with those questions you should feel confident. Yes, I can attempt such type of questions. I can attempt the questions of this chapter, whether they are going to be in JEE mains or JEE advanced question. Okay, so that's the target here. So it will be this time it will be a chapter wise series, जहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन डेली आपका 11th और 12th क्लास के चैप्टर्स का अपलोड होगा. इन 11th क्लास क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, एज यू कैन सी हियर, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज, जहाँ पे सारा का सारा फोकस सीरीज पे रहने वाला है बच्चों. ठीक है, तो काफ़ी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आपको यहाँ पे सीरीज के मिलने वाले हैं. So fasten your seat belt, okay, and get ready to learn and to excel at least in mathematics for IIT JEE examination. So let's start. So that was the question you would have got as a post in the morning. So जिन बच्चों का question हो गया है, so congratulations to them and best wishes to them. And those who couldn't solve, okay, I think you at least see you need to put in efforts to solve the question. आप जितना सोचेंगे दिमाग आपका उतना शार्प होगा, उतना फास्ट चलेगा. So think, see, that's why the purpose of this series is we'll be posting question in the morning, so that you get some time, like till evening you have a time to think on those questions. So keep thinking whatever you are doing, like you are in the school doing something, or you are in the bus traveling from school to home, keep thinking this question. That's the purpose of giving or posting the question in the daytime, okay, in the morning time. चलिए देखिए, जब भी first thing you need to know whenever we are solving a question of series, the first step which we can't afford to skip. So first step is to get the general term. First step is get general term of the series bachcho. So get general term of the series. So now get the general term and see how can we get general term here. So we will see denominator is not a problem. Okay, so if I write my general term TR, so of course in denominator is going to be 2 raised to the power R. I think all of you will agree. 2 raised power 1, second term 2, third term power 3, fourth term power 4. So R at term power is R. But what about numerator? In numerator, my suggestion is collect first number of all the terms 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot dot, and collect second number of all the terms 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot dot. Okay, now 1, 3, 5, 7, what is it? That's an AP. R at term of this AP is that you can easily find is 2R minus 1, isn't that? And then collect second terms, so it's 3, 5, 7, 9, that's again an AP with common difference 2. R at term is going to be 2R plus 1, and then multiply, because these terms are multiplied in every term, these numbers. So multiply them here again. So what do we get? So general term is nothing but 4R square minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power R, isn't that? Now what? See, we know that our series is, so I can write the series is nothing but sum of all these terms. So what is it? So you can write it as, so summation of 4R square minus 1 upon 2 raised power R, and when R goes from 1 to dot 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 infinity, so that means it's till infinity, isn't that? See, we know that summation gets distributed over addition and subtraction, so I can write it as summation of 4 times R square upon 2 raised to the power R minus summation of 1 by 2 raised to the power R. I don't think anyone have any doubt about this. This is an infinite GP whose first term is, since it starts with 1, so its first term is half, so infinite GP sum is A upon 1 minus R. First term is half because when you put R is equal to 1 you get half. Common ratio is half, so 1 half upon 1 minus half, so that's 1. Okay, so the value of this part of the series is 1. Now see, of course the whole focus is on this one, how to solve this. तो इस क्वेश्चन को लेने का पर्पस ही यही था कि यहाँ पे इससे इस प्रकार का यदि कोई फॉर्म आता है तो उसे कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. AGP नहीं है. Had that been only R upon 2 raised power R, that would have been a simple AGP. But यहाँ method हम AGP वाला ही लगाएंगे बच्चों. See, what will I do is, so I am going to solve because I will take 4 common from here. Okay, so I will take 4 out of here and I will write it here. We can do it. 4 is a constant, as product, we can take it out of summation sign. Okay, so now I'm going to just solve this as S. So for me, this is S now. ठीक है, this series. Now, so I will write it as, so open it, 1 upon 2 plus 2 square, 4 upon 2 square plus 3 square, yeah, 9 upon 2 cube, and then 16 upon 2 raised to the power 4, and then 25 upon 2 raised to the power 5, and then so on and so on and so on. See, as I said, I'll be using the same method. So I will multiply both the side by the common ratio of GP and write it by shifting it 1 terms towards right. So 1 by 2 square, then 4 by 2 cube, then 9 by 2 raised to power 4, then 16 over 2 raised to power 5, and so on. And then we know what we do. We have to subtract it. So I will be subtracting it. So you subtract it. Okay. So what do we get? So this is S by 2 here is equal to, so it's half plus 3 by 2 square plus 5 by 2 cube plus 7 by 2 raised to power 4. हुआ बच्चों, आ गया? Now aren't we done? Now that's a AGP. अब ये देखिए एक स्टेप के बाद AGP आ गई. We will repeat the method. So what are we going to do? We'll again multiply by 2 both the sides, so it's going to be 4, and again I will shift 1 term. Now we know we got it, isn't that? अब तो हम लोग को दिख ही गया है कि क्वेश्चन, अब ये प्रश्न जो है हमारा यहाँ पे अब समाप्त हो जाता है. Again I will be subtracting it here, so just subtract it. So we have S by 4, isn't that, is equal to, so this is half plus 2 by 2 square plus 2 by 2 cube plus 2 by 2 raised to power 4, and so on and so on. So S by 4, so therefore it is S by 4 is equal to, just a minute, I will take half common, rather half बाहर रख लेते हैं, half plus 2 by 2 square common, and then it is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square, that's an infinite GP, and we are done. So half plus half into first term upon this, so this is half plus, what is it, 2, no? 1 upon 1 minus half is half, so it's 2, so 2 into half is 1, and this is S by 4, which is 3 by 2. So that means S is 6 here. So we got it as 6 here. Am I think I'm correct? Yeah, it's 6 here. So our answer in that case is, so the answer should be, where shall I write? Just a minute. I will write my answer at the top here. 4 into S, so 4 into 6 plus 1. So my answer is 25. Now all of you should match the answer. Okay, I don't think there's any calculation mistake. I find it to be absolutely correct. Now my suggestion is, if any student has got answered in any other way, I will ask you people, request you people to share it in the comment box. Okay, so that I can go into it, and then if it's correct, I will definitely appreciate it, and I may also learn something from you people. Okay, so let's learn something mutually. Okay, so if there's any other option and you think there's any other better option or better way to solve it, let me know bachcho. Okay, so that was the first question of our series here. Just mark question number 2. No, that's going to be the first question. That's what you would have got today. Okay, so that's it. We will come with another question on next day bachcho.